Hello, I'm Anthony Wright from Scutum East and welcome to our Scutum tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to omit a zone from your Pyronix Enforcer alarm system. Before you start, you will need to know the input number that you wish to omit. If you do know that information, then you can go to your alarm keypad. You're going to want to press the letter D. It's going to ask you to enter your 4-digit master code. It comes as default as 4 2s. It's going to take you into the Master Manager menu now, and what we're going to want to do is press No until we reach the option that says Omit Inputs. We're going to want to press Yes. And as I said previously, you're going to need to know which number of device you're going to want to omit. I'm going to omit this PIR here, and that I know is input number 2. So on the screen you'll see it says omit day AL. You're going to want to press the zone number 02 followed by yes, and you'll see in the top corner you have the flashing exclamation mark and the device text, which I've labelled up as PIR. That is now that detector omitted. So what we're going to want to then do is press no, and then keep pressing no until we reach the option where it says Exit Manager Menu. Press yes. It will then save any changes that you've made, and that is that device omitted from the system.